This video will show you how to search the education databases available through Rickman Library. Click on Databases by Subject. Select Education and Curriculum Planning. We have the databases divided between those that contain resources useful for academic research and those that contain resources useful for lesson planning. The Education Search Interface will search 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 databases at once. Proquest, Dissertations, and Theses Global must be searched separately. Let's look at the Education Search Interface. Enter your search terms. Use the limiters on the left-hand side of the screen to limit your search results for full text or for peer-reviewed. You can also adjust the date range. Many of the education resources come from ERIC and look a little different. Just click on the link that says Full Text from ERIC, then click where it says Download Full Text. Resources from databases other than ERIC will have an HTML or a PDF full text link. Let's look at Proquest, Dissertations, and Theses Global. Enter your search terms. Again, you can use the limiters on the left-hand side of the screen to limit your search results. You can limit to full text. And you can also adjust the date range. If you have any questions, please contact a librarian.